It's a studio, so it's nice because everything it's up to you. And as far like as I know from my other friends that complaining about their like messy kitchens and all that, yeah, I don't have to deal with that. But I guess the struggles that I need to face for the first few weeks are finding friends, because as a first year student and also living in the studio, I don't really have the chance to like friends other than people from my course.
And where are you living now in your second year?
I'm living in the house that I share with other three girls.
And what's it like going from the studio to a house?
Well, yes, I need to learn about compromising about all other stuff. So that's, I mean, it's not really my first time as well living with people because I come from a boarding school background. So I've lived with like 28 and 15 students in like
Okay.
same room. So yeah,
What do you think the best university accommodation is
I think
for price
price.
for first years?
I guess Purbeck House.
Okay. Why do you say Purbeck?
Um, I have a few mates living there, and I've checked the price. It's not that bad, and it's not too expensive as well. And their rooms, and I mean the whole accommodations are nice as well. And
Okay.
it's really nearby to town and also the bus stops. So, yeah.